Bathed in warm natural light, this rustic outdoor kitchen transforms an ordinary backyard into a welcoming cooking retreat where nature and craftsmanship meet. The combination of textured stone, reclaimed wood cabinetry, and the sturdy wooden pergola creates a timeless atmosphere that feels both relaxed and elegant. A wood-fired oven, built-in grill, and farmhouse sink bring together beauty and practicality, making the space perfect for slow weekend cooking or unforgettable evening gatherings. Surrounded by greenery and soft sunlight filtering through the vines above, this kitchen isn't just about preparing food, it's about creating a place where the warmth of outdoor living, natural materials, and thoughtful design turn every meal into an experience.